What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock. The clock shows the big hand on 12 and the small hand on 3. This means it is exactly 3 o'clock. It is afternoon right now.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I hear my alarm clock ring, and I open my eyes. Then, I get out of bed and start my day. Sometimes I feel sleepy.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock. I pack my bag, eat breakfast, and leave the house. It takes me 10 minutes to get to school. I walk there with my friends.
What time is lunch at school?
Lunch is at 12:30 p.m. We eat in the cafeteria with our classmates. I usually bring a sandwich and fruit. Lunch is my favorite time because we also play.
What time do you go home from school?
I go home at 3:30 p.m. School finishes and we pack our things. My mom picks me up or I walk home. I feel happy when school is over.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 6:30 p.m. My family sits together at the table. We talk about our day while eating. I like to eat rice and vegetables.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Before sleeping, I brush my teeth and read a book. My mom says good night to me. Then I turn off the light and sleep.
How long is a day?
A day has 24 hours. There are 12 hours in the morning and afternoon. There are also 12 hours at night. Time keeps moving every second.
Do you know how to read a clock?
Yes, I can read a clock. The big hand shows minutes and the small hand shows hours. When they both point to 12, it is 12 o'clock. Reading a clock is fun.
What is your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time is 4 p.m. At this time, I finish my homework and go to play. I can run, jump, and have fun with friends. It makes me very happy.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday. It is the start of the school week. Mondays can feel busy but exciting. I like to learn new things.
What day comes after Monday?
Tuesday comes after Monday. It is the second day of the week. I go to school again and study more. Sometimes we have art class on Tuesday.
What day is before Sunday?
Saturday is before Sunday. It is a weekend day, and I don't go to school. I play games or watch movies with my family. Saturdays are very relaxing.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days in a week. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 5 days are for school, and 2 are for rest. A week goes by quickly.
What is the first day of the week?
The first day of the week is Monday. It is when everything starts fresh. Many people go to work or school. It can feel hard to wake up early.
What is the last day of the week?
The last day of the week is Sunday. On Sundays, I relax with my family. Sometimes we go to the park or watch TV. It is a nice way to end the week.
How many hours are in one day?
One day has 24 hours. There are morning, afternoon, evening, and night hours. Time goes in a circle from 12 to 12. It is fun to think about.
What is the shortest time of the year?
The shortest time is 1 second. It is very quick and hard to notice. A second passes just like that. It is smaller than minutes and hours.
How many months are in a year?
There are 12 months in a year. They start with January and end with December. Each month has about 30 days. Time moves through the months fast.
What is your favorite month?
My favorite month is December. It is the month of Christmas and holidays. I like the lights, gifts, and fun during this time. It is very special to me.
What is the first month of the year?
The first month is January. It begins the new year. People make new goals and celebrate the start of the year. It is also cold in winter.
What is the last month of the year?
The last month is December. It is the end of the year. Many people celebrate Christmas and New Year's Eve. December is a fun and festive month.
What are the 4 seasons?
The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Spring has flowers and warm weather. Summer is hot, and we can swim. Autumn has colorful leaves, and winter is cold.
What season is it now?
Now it is autumn. The leaves on the trees are red, orange, and yellow. The weather is cooler than summer. I like to walk outside and see the pretty trees.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. I love the long days and bright sunshine. I can eat ice cream and play outside. Summer makes me feel happy.
How many seconds are in a minute?
There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. If you count 1, 2, 3, it takes seconds. Seconds are very short. They are part of every minute.
How many minutes are in an hour?
There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. If you wait for 1 minute, it feels short. But waiting for 60 minutes feels longer. Time moves slowly when we wait.
What time do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. My mom makes eggs and toast for me. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. It is my favorite meal.
What time is bedtime on weekends?
On weekends, my bedtime is at 9:30 p.m. I get to sleep a little later than on school nights. I watch TV or read a book before bed. It feels relaxing and nice.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I wear a watch. It is small and has numbers on it. The watch helps me know the time. I like wearing it every day.
What time do you do homework?
I do my homework at 4:30 p.m. I sit at my desk and open my books. It takes me about 1 hour to finish. I feel proud when I complete it.
What time do you play games?
I play games at 5:30 p.m. I play outside with friends or with toys at home. Playing makes me feel happy and free. Sometimes I lose track of time.
What time do you watch TV?
I watch TV at 8 p.m. My family and I watch shows together. We laugh and enjoy the stories. It is a fun time to relax.
How many hours do you sleep at night?
I sleep for 9 hours at night. Sleeping helps me feel rested and strong. I wake up feeling fresh in the morning. Sleep is very important for our health.
What time do you leave home for school?
I leave home for school at 7:50 a.m. My mom checks if I have my bag and lunch. Then we walk to the bus stop. I enjoy seeing my friends on the way.
What time do you go to the park?
I go to the park at 4 p.m. The park is big and has green grass. I like to play on the swings and run around. Sometimes I also ride my bike there.
How long is a school day?
A school day is about 6 hours long. We start in the morning and finish in the afternoon. There are breaks for lunch and snacks. School days are busy but fun.
Do you know how to set an alarm?
Yes, I know how to set an alarm. I press the buttons on my clock to choose the time. It rings loudly to wake me up. Alarms help me not be late.
What time do you eat snacks?
I eat snacks at 10:30 a.m. during school break. I usually have a banana or some crackers. Eating snacks gives me energy to focus. It is a small but nice meal.
What time does your school start?
My school starts at 8:15 a.m. We hear the bell, and everyone goes to their classroom. Our teacher greets us and we begin learning. Being on time is important.
What is midnight?
Midnight is 12 a.m. It is the start of a new day. Midnight happens when it is very dark outside. Most people are asleep at this time.
What is noon?
Noon is 12 p.m. It is the middle of the day. The sun is high in the sky at noon. Many people eat lunch at this time.
How long is 1 minute?
1 minute is 60 seconds. It is enough time to tie your shoes or drink water. A minute feels short but important. Time is always ticking.
What time does the sun rise?
The sun rises at 6:30 a.m. The sky turns from dark to light. Birds start singing and the day begins. Sunrises are very pretty to see.
What time does the sun set?
The sun sets at 6 p.m. The sky turns orange, red, and pink. It becomes night after the sun sets. I like to watch sunsets with my family.
Do you like mornings or evenings?
I like evenings. The day feels calm, and I can relax. I play games or read books in the evening. It is my favorite time to have fun.
What time do you start studying?
I start studying at 5 p.m. I open my books and focus on my lessons. Studying helps me learn new things. After I study, I feel smarter.
How many days are in 1 month?
Most months have 30 or 31 days. February is special because it has 28 or 29 days. A month is about 4 weeks long. Time moves quickly through each month.
What is your favorite holiday time?
My favorite holiday time is Christmas. We decorate the tree, eat yummy food, and get gifts. The lights and songs make it very special. I feel happy with my family.
Do you think time is important?
Yes, time is very important. It helps us plan our day and do our tasks. If we waste time, we miss many things. Using time wisely makes life better.